How to create this beautiful gorgeous dress. First thing, you're going to start by drafting up a pattern. Take the shoulder measurement, divide it by 2, mark that up, slant it down by 1 inch. Move now to the armhole depth, mark that up and connect it up. After connecting it up, the next thing I'm going to do is to mark the neck depth and the neck width of 3 by 3 inch. Bear in mind that I'm creating this pattern on a smaller vision. Take armhole depth line, divide it by 2, go in by half an inch, put 1/4 of the bust. Round bust is 34 divided by 4. It's going to give me 8.5. I'm going to go ahead and mark that up. After that, I'll go ahead now and blend up my armhole depth line, like you can see me doing right there, raising up the piece that. After that, I'm going to mark from the shoulder to the waistline, from the shoulder to the hip depth line, from the shoulder to the length of the dress. Like I said, I'm working on a smaller vision. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect it up with a straight line. I'll put 1/4 of the waist, round waist divided by 4, 1/4 of the hip, round hip divided by 4. Whatever I have on round hip, I'm going to mark it on the hemline. I'll go ahead and connect it up like you can see me doing right here. After that, what I'm going to do is to go ahead now. I'll take the nipple to nipple divided by 2. Whatever I have, I'm going to mark that up. Then I'll mark half inch both sides. After that, I'll go ahead and connect it up, connect the center line. After connecting the center line, I'm going to go ahead and connect that half inch. From the hip depth line, go up by 2 inch. From the chest line, go down by 2 inch. That's to get the bust point, but we will not be needing that bust point here. I'll just go ahead and connect up the half inch that I went out, just like you can see me doing here in the video. After that, I'll be cutting it up. You're going to use this piece to cut up the back piece. So what I did was to go ahead and transfer the dark, the lines, and all the things that we did to the other side. I'm going to go in by 6 inch from the side seam. You can choose the side where you want the drapped to be or the pleat to be. So I'll go in by 6 inch. Okay, this is a smaller vision. After going in, I'm going to just go ahead and connect it up like this, like you can see me doing here. Follow up the steps, just go ahead and connect, draw some straight lines like you can see me in a triangle form. Okay, then what we're going to do is to go ahead I will mark it on with my black bold marker so you can see the lines, because when I did with a pencil there are too much lines, you will not see which one to cut. I'll level them up 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and scratch and spray method. This is the scratch and spray method. Then now I'm just going to grab another paper, which is a brown one. I'll just kind of start and pin the hem line. Then I'll be spraying it up by 1 or 1.5 inch. Remember, the more you spray, the more pleats you get. And also this is going to depend on the fabric you are working on. Best fabric to use for this is crepe, and you can also use satin. You can also use brighter face, any fabric that is kind of stretchy. This is going to give you a very beautiful outcome. So I've just gone ahead and spray it up. Like I said, you can do 1 inch, 1.5 inch. Then I hold it up with my paper gum. I'll be cutting that up. After cutting it up, we have something like this. So we're going to go ahead and pleat them inside, like you can see me doing here. Okay, this is a beautiful one. Like I said, this is a beautiful one. If you use a stretchy fabric crepes, this brighter face of satin, uh, door face, whatever fabric you get, something that is a bit stretchy is going to give you a beautiful outcome of this dress. So I'm just pleating it up, pleat this up, pleat this up, and then do the same thing to here. When we pleat everything up, you realize that we're going to bring all this side at one place, which is where it's supposed to be. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and place it on my fabric just to show you a little bit of how this is going to look like when we are cutting. Okay, so I'm just pinning it up on my fabric, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this up. So after cutting, I'm going to go ahead and notch, and I'll also be marking it up with a pencil so I should know where to be pleating up the pleats. So I'm going to be picking them up. The first one, I'm going to pick it up, bring it up to the other line or notch that I've just marked. Pick the third, bring it to the notch that we just notch or mark, just like this till we get to the top. Can you see how beautiful it is? So I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, comment. Don't forget to follow Anita Handmade Creation Facebook, Anita Handmade Creation YouTube, Anita Handmade Creation. Hope to see you some other time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon. Bye bye.